stopped spinning for just 5 seconds. No warning, no time to prepare. What would happen to the world as we know it? The skies, they'd shift. The oceans, they'd move. The air, a violent surge. And you, caught in a chain reaction you can't control. Subscribe, because what happens next changes everything. Let's dive in. Earth spins at 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. You don't feel it, but it's there, every second. Now imagine this. The Earth stops spinning for 5 seconds. What happens next? Second one, the ground stops, but you don't. The moment Earth halts, the momentum doesn't disappear. The ground may stop, but the atmosphere keeps moving, faster than anything on Earth. Second two, the air keeps moving. The atmosphere doesn't freeze in place. It slams forward at orbital speeds, as if nothing changed. Everything is thrown. Buildings collapse. Cars fly through the air. Second three, the oceans begin to surge. The oceans, once held in place by Earth's spin, are now freed. The water surges toward the poles with devastating force. Cities near the equator are submerged. Second four, structures begin to fail. The tectonic plates begin to shift violently. Earthquakes follow. Mountains shake. Buildings, bridges, and roads crumble. Second five, the planet starts spinning again, but nothing is the same. The momentum has already caused irreparable damage. The Earth starts again, but the world you knew is gone. The oceans, our planet's deadliest force, are held in place by Earth's rotation. When the spin stops, they are free. It moves toward the poles with devastating force. You've seen tsunamis, but nothing like this. Cities near the equator, wiped off the map. The water rises. It sweeps everything in its path. Coastlines, gone. The oceans, now on the move, flood the land. Buildings, forests, farmland, nothing survives. Water crashes, not once, but twice. 5 seconds later, Earth spins again, but it doesn't stop there. The water surges back. The second wave, stronger, bigger. The oceans reclaim everything once again. The land is lost. Humanity, we're drowned in this devastation. The land that was once ours, it's now part of the ocean. The force of the waves. Too much. No structures can withstand. No city can survive. Floods, tsunamis, and the end of Earth's land. What happens after 5 seconds of Earth's sudden stop? We don't survive. What happens to the wind when Earth stops? At the equator, the wind is moving faster than the speed of sound, as Earth's rotation drives massive air currents. When the planet halts, the air doesn't stop instantly. Momentum keeps it going at a dangerous speed. The winds would move at around 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a jet. But these winds wouldn't last forever. For the first few seconds, they would ravage everything they touch. The sheer velocity would knock down structures, throw vehicles, and break apart anything that wasn't firmly anchored. The real danger comes from the sustained nature of this movement. The air itself would carry enough force to cause lasting damage, knocking buildings off their foundations and displacing large structures. The wind, yes, would be destructive, But the worst of it would be felt through the shifting atmospheric instability. It wouldn't be a constant storm, but a one-time, fast-moving force that keeps pushing forward, but the damage it would cause would be immense. The key is in the Earth's lack of resistance to such a change in motion. 5 seconds pass, but what's left? Earth starts spinning again, but it's not the same Earth. The atmosphere disrupted. The tectonic plates shifted. The magnetic field is weak. Radiation from the sun pours through, unfiltered. The air, toxic. Earth is unrecognizable. What was once familiar is now hostile. Survival, it's impossible. The balance that kept life on Earth stable is destroyed. The tectonic forces are out of control. Water has flooded the land. The air itself is poisoned. You can't breathe. You can't survive. The land is barren. The oceans are unpredictable. Earth is no longer a planet of life. It is a wasteland, a planet in collapse. Humanity, gone. The Earth you knew is now a place of chaos, of destruction. There is no hope. There is no recovery. We thought Earth was indestructible, but now it is broken beyond repair. Humanity is left to face a new world, a world that no longer cares about us. Think this was the worst. What if Earth didn't stop for just 5 seconds, but for 5 minutes? How much worse would it get? What would happen to life? How would we survive? The answers are more shocking than you think. Hit subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Imagine if Earth's twin wasn't a paradise, but a nightmare. What if Venus is Earth's evil twin? A world where life can't survive. In the next video, we'll dive deep into Venus and how it might hold the key to understanding Earth's future. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this.